Provoke you. Provoke you. Right. No problem. No problem. You don't bow. Me thunder fire you. You think they smell here? My brother. How are you?
They have left you behind. Your brother.
My brother, I'm just greeting you. I'm just greeting you with a pure heart.
This capuchin.
Hey! Water don't pass, Gary. Wait, it's okay, it's okay. I understand what I say. I understand it very well. I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I feel your pain. See, my brother. Please, I want to drop this bag here. Let me go to toilet and come in. Okay? Please keep this bag for me. My stomach is disturbing me. Let me just go to toilet. Okay, please. Don't worry. I know what you want.
Iresia, just they play. They play.
Are you playing? What happened?
Nothing. My brother, I beg. I know what you want. Keep this bag for me. I want to go to toilet. My stomach is disturbing me. Don't worry, I know what you want. If I come back, I will give you 500 naira.
Me want
Please now, please. 1,000. No problem. You keep on. I'm coming back now. If I come, I will give you 1,000 naira. Please, I'm coming.
No problem. See your shoe like first get nonsense man. Come back the game money. Where this man now? Make a kind back my money.
What did happen?
Now one me man who drop money. But anyway, the day for you. Maybe it's fine.
Why are they tell me something? Your hand will really slap. I don't like her. I don't like her. Wait, make I ask you a question. Wait. Provoke you. Right. No problem. You don't bow.
Me thunder fire you.
You think they smell here? I see. I talk am now. I think say whether your mouth now him dey smell this thing. You mess now, you make am. Who come drop this bag for here now?
That be man.
Nah, sit down.
Wait, what's that?
Move they go now. Move they go.
No, this like.
So we go wait for this bag.
bag person where you don't know, you just keep bag there now. You tell me say you know you don't know whether na bomb or the receipt they put here. You don't know the person. You keep bag. This makes very the next. The thing is
Hello, DPO. Yes, DPO. You see that bag where human being head there inside. I don't see the man where they carry that bag. Where he hold that bag now? I don't see where they did. That's uncompleted building where they around that school site, the school area. Yes. Now there they will. Yes, I hold my gun. If they run, I will shoot their leg. They no feel run going. Yes, I position well. No, nothing they happen. If they run, I will shoot their leg. Yes. Just becoming that school site.
I get big ear, but I know the hear word.
You and who? DPO. Becoming DPO. Yes, becoming they come. Yes, I did. Yes, they come. If they run, I will shoot. If you run, I will shoot you. Come on, you.